Good afternoon, guys. It is a cold day and we're having a lot of wind outside. And cold, windy, damp days make me think of hot chocolate. Tomorrow is a very special day here on the homestead. It is my husband's. Tomorrow is a very awesome day on the homestead. It is my husband's birthday. But there's a little bit of a problem. I am not allowed to spend any money on his present. I will go get him a card though. But one of the things my husband likes is he likes hot cocoa. And so I have all the ingredients to make homemade hot cocoa for him. This is not only a great gift for somebody who loves hot cocoa for birthdays, but it's also a great Christmas present. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. And so one of the things that I was bummed out about, that couldn't find my sieve because we are moving. That's one of the reasons we're not spending money on any birthday presents or anything like Christmas presents, any of that right now. Because we are moving across country and it is tallying up quite nice as far as the old pocketbook is feeling it, if you know what I mean. So we are going to start with 2 cups. This is whole powdered milk. And what I'm using, because I don't have a sieve, is this is a gravy container. So if you made homemade gravy, you would just sift it through here, and then that would take all the, like maybe bones or whatever you have in the homemade gravy that you're making. But this will also take the lumps out of my hot chocolate. So this is a perfect size container for doing that. So I'm just going to add it on top there, and you can see that the powdered milk has some lumps in it. So we're just going to take a spoon here and push it through the little sieve here and get that all down. Now this would be so much faster with a regular sieve, like on a handle. You could just kind of, well, this works well too. I can just go like this. So another use for this container, guys. Isn't that cool? Thank God I didn't pack it yet, because I was thinking homemade gravy for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So that uses up almost all my powdered milk. Another thing I don't have to pack. I do have more powdered milk in my emergency area. Whoops. Okay, and I'm going to shake these big lumps down. Just kind of get it going because it's a lot on there all at once. And of course I spilled, because that's what this hedgehog does. Little hedgehog, as we like to call mice. And that's so nice. You can just shake it and it all goes down. Okay, and then I had I would recommend for this, and I've used in the past, some Dutch chocolate. But this is what we have. This is what we're going to use. We need to use it up. It's never been opened. So let's use it. And we'll see how it tastes. I'm going to give it a taste after we make this. So this is a good test for Hershey's right here. Up. So a cup, and that's got some lumps in it too. Boy, this is I'm a messy cook though. Okay, we're just gonna slowly shake it down. We have a whole cup left, so maybe we'll have to make some homemade brownies for on the way. Maybe I'll bring a good recipe for that for you guys. Oops. It would be a lot easier with one of those colanders, but like again, it's packed, so we are making do with what we have on hand. Literally everything. I have not purchased one thing for this recipe. So, and we're trying to use up a lot of our stuff, so this is kind of a perfect thing to do. And maybe I'll make some extras for Christmas. There we go. I got it low enough now. Whoop. Making quite a mess, folks. You pull it away from the edges and maybe I can shake it a little easier. Now if you had a sift that was kind of like a bowl, it'd be a lot easier to do this over another bowl. But I don't have the luxury of that right now. Now, if you were making a bunch of this, you could make some with espresso beans in it. Okay, so now we're going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. Do the same with that. We're going to sift it through. We want everything to be kind of the same. This is just going to help it combine all together. So we've got our cornstarch in there, and then a teaspoon of table salt. Table salt will mix better in your hot cocoa. So put that in there as well. Just mix it all through. This will keep the big pieces from not going down in. So there we go. And then we need, on top of that, 2 cups of granulated sugar. I have a half cup in here, and I think I'm just going to put a half cup in at a time. Yeah, that's a lot easier. I should have done that with the cocoa. So that's 1 cup. I'm being kind of light on the measurements. Okay, 2 cups. Okay, now I'm going to take my sifter off, and then I'm just going to stir that all together. I'll bring you guys. Okay. Now, the nice thing about all this milk in here, guys, is that you can make this hot cocoa with just water. Another thing is I put in whole milk powder. If you want it to store better for a longer period of time, you can put in nonfat milk powder, and that will help it store longer. In fact, most of the store ones come with non-fat milk powder. And that is it, guys. All mixed together, as you can see here. I probably have cocoa on my face now. What a messy little product to make. But, you know, if I had the right sifter and stuff right now, it wouldn't be that messy. So. Okay. So that is all mixed together. And now we have our quart-sized mason jar here. We're just going to put it in here. Okay. Should have used a sift, or not a sift, a funnel. That's okay. You guys wouldn't have a good laugh at what mess I'm making. Okay. And there you guys go. Okay, guys. Milk. Here we go. Here's our hot chocolate mix. My end frame.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll put 2 big scoops in there.
That's my kind of hot chocolate there.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's for your birthday, so.
I didn't have a birthday. I was born under a rock. I was hatched. At an undetermined date in time.
I don't know, you might want a little more cocoa in there, you tell me. Careful, it's very hot.
How am I supposed to drink any of that?
Maybe off the spoon. Taste it off the spoon.
Well, tell me what to do. My birthday. I'm gonna take orders on my birthday. Or before my birthday, or after my birthday. Any day before my birthday, or any day after my birthday, or any day on my birthday.
Pretty hot, guys.
I would say 3 scoops.
Okay. But you like things extra chocolatey.
I like things extra sweet. Some may hold it against her, huh? We won't. We'll say it's okay. Yep. Okay, let's see here. It's much better, but I'm usually used to having it with coffee.
Let me taste it. Can I taste it? That's good.
Of course, it's got 3 scoops of chocolate in it.
Yum. Okay. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and happy birthday, honey. You came.
Yay to me.
You came home in the middle of it, doggone. So you know the drill. Please like and subscribe, and as always, God bless.
And you know what I had to say. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't watch our videos. You people get a life.
And don't listen to him.